So under details, you have public IP, private IP, public DNS name, private DNS. If you want to connect this, instance, click on connect. You have 4 options here. If you want to connect this instance remotely, go SSH client, open SSH client on your operating system. This is your operating system. Here you have SSH clients. One is called PuTTY, the other one is called Git Bash. PuTTY is outdated one, so Git Bash is the latest. On my Mac, I'll open Git Bash. Clear the screen. Here I opened a Git Bash. Once Git Bash is opened, what is the next step? Locate your private key. This key pair is needed. This key pair is available where? In downloads. It is available. That means you should go to downloads location from your SSH client tool. Then run the below command. You need to run this command. Why? To change the permissions on this particular file. As of now, it has read, write, read. This you need to change it. chmod space 400 space file name. After changing, if you verify, we have removed these permissions with the help of chmod space 400 command. Step 1 we followed. Open SSH client called Git Bash. Step 2, from Git Bash we went to the downloads. There we are able to see private key. The private key file has write permissions. We changed it. It's a one-time activity. Then we need to connect this DNS name or IP address. Any one of it you can connect. How to connect this? With the help of SSH command. SSH space -I. You need to insert. What you're supposed to insert here? You're supposed to insert this particular key pair. Why? This key pair will act as a password. And what is the default username? Ubuntu. And to whom you want to connect? One of the public IP. So IP address should be dot separated. We are planning to connect a remote Linux machine with the help of Git Bash. If you hit enter, it will ask yes or no. After giving yes, we are part of a remote Linux machine. You can check who you are, where you are, and what you have with the help of these commands. Then you can check which operating system you are on. We have connected a remote Linux machine with the help of Git Bash. You can do the same thing with the help of PuTTY as well. PuTTY is outdated. Nobody is using it. Only Git Bash is being used in the real time. So we connected this particular operating system from my Mac machine using Git Bash. Is this clear? Your ask is, can I use Git Bash from the VS Code? This is what you're asking.
Yeah.
I'll show you. What I did, I opened directly Git Bash and executed. That is one way. Second way is, what you want to do is, you want to open a VS Code. Here you want to select the Git Bash. After selecting a Git Bash, what you want to do from here, you want to go to downloads locations. Here you have to go to downloads location. After going to the download location, you have to check the file, spider. This is a file. And this file permissions I already modified. You don't need to modify again. So what you can do, SSH space -9. This is a key pair you need to attach it. It's like acted as a password. Then which instance we launched? Ubuntu distribution. So default username is Ubuntu. And you need to get public IP or public DNS name. Go all the way to your EC2 instance and come back from here. Go to EC2 dashboard. Select this. Here you have private IP. Don't take private IP. Don't take private DNS name. You cannot connect it. You can only take public DNS name or public IP. Take any one of it. Go all the way to your VS Code again. Enter. Successfully, we have connected to a remote Linux machine.